There are so many people waiting.
Look, that man has a sign with letters.
Let's see. David family? That's not us.
Wait, what's that one? Lucy Rose?
Oh no, close. But my name's Luna, not Lucy.
Hello, are you the Lucy Rose family?
Almost. It's Luna, not Lucy. But yes, that's us.
Oh, sorry, my mistake. Welcome to Costa Rica.
He wrote your name wrong, Mom.
That's okay, sweetheart. Now, we have a funny story to tell.
At least he found us.
Yes, please follow me. The car is outside.
Feel that air. It's so warm and soft.
It smells like flowers.
I hear birds. Are those parrots?
Maybe. We'll find out soon.
Welcome to Costa Rica, my friends. Hotel Blue Horizon, right?
That's right. Thank you.
I can't wait to swim.
And see the rainforest.
One adventure at a time. You too. Let's get to the hotel first.
Agreed. After all that flying, I just want a bed.
You and me both. We made it.
We sure did.
Costa Rica.
Our new adventure.
And that's the first day of our family's big adventure. From the morning rush to the airport chaos, somehow we made it here. What happens next? Well, let's just say there are still a few surprises waiting for us in Costa Rica. Stay with us on this journey and join our little adventures, full of fun, laughter, and maybe a few oops moments along the way. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next Our Story. Thanks for watching.